Students, today we will be discussing question and answers from the chapter Flow of Heat. To be specific, we will be discussing about objective type of questions, that is MCQs and one word answers. So let us begin. The first question is choose the most appropriate answer. That first one is conduction takes place in, options are solids only, liquids only, gases only, and fourth option is in solid, liquid and gases. So what do you think is the correct answer? Conduction, as you know, molecule doesn't move from place to place, it only transfers the energy from one molecule to neighboring molecule, and this mainly happens in solids. So correct option should be solids. Let us see next question. Question 2. In which method of transfer of heat do the molecule travel from the hot to the cold portion? Options are conduction, convection, radiation, all of the above. Question is, in which method the transfer of heat do the molecule travel from hot end? Molecule travels. So what should be the correct answer? Convection. Let us see. Yes, convection is the correct answer. Third question. Handles of cooking utensils should be made of the materials that conduct heat well, does not conduct heat well, radiates heat well, does not radiate heat well. So correct option is does not conduct heat well. Next question. Convection occurs in solids only, liquids only, gases only, liquid and gases only. What do you think is the correct answer? Convection, as you know, it applies to all kind of fluids, so it should apply for liquid and gases both. So liquids and gases is the correct answer. Fifth question. Sea and land breezes. First option are caused by currents set up in air due to conduction, are caused by currents set up in air due to convection. C option is are caused by currents set up in air due to radiation, and fourth option is have no relation to conduction, convection or radiation. Sea and land breezes, we have already learned this. It basically happens because of convection current. So correct option should be B. Let us see. Yes, B is the correct answer. Sixth question. A thermos flask prevents loss or gain of heat by conduction, convection, radiation, all of the above. It uses all three kind of modes of transfer of heat. In fact, it applies it and it does not allow to heat to escape in all the three cases. Conduction से भी नहीं होता, convection से भी नहीं होता, radiation से भी नहीं होता. So correct option is all of the above. Yes, all of the above is a correct answer. Seventh question. Which of these is the best conductor of heat? Iron, water, nitrogen, alcohol. So see, water, nitrogen and alcohol, these are basically liquids and gases. Nitrogen is a gas, but water and alcohol is a liquid, and comparatively heat flows good in solids, and especially if they are metallic solids. So the correct option should be iron. Let us see. So this is the correct answer, iron. Let us see eighth question. Which of these is the best insulator of heat? Options are iron, water, nitrogen, alcohol. Now options are same, but the question is different. Best insulator they have asked. So best insulator is all kind of gases are best insulators. So nitrogen best suits this option. So the correct answer is nitrogen. Yes. So nitrogen is the correct answer. Let us see ninth question. Transfer of heat from molecule without movement of molecule from one place to another is conduction, convection, radiation, and either of these. ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम मॉलिक्यूल, मॉलिक्यूल की वजह से होता है, लेकिन मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स नहीं होता, विदाउट मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन शुड बी कंडक्शन. लेट अस सी. yes, conduction is a correct answer. So students, these were MCQs, or you can call it choose most appropriate answer. Students, our next question is very short answer. So basically this will be one word answers. Let us see first question. By which mode is heat transferred in solid? What do you think? In solid, how do heat get transferred? It is basically due to conduction. Let us see. Yes, correct. Conduction is a correct answer. Next question. Are most metals good or bad conductors of heat? ज़्यादातर जो metals होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Good conductor होते हैं या bad conductor होते हैं? क्या लगता है आपको? They are good conductors of heat. Third question. gases are insulators of heat. True or false? Obviously it is true. So the answer should be true. So gases are insulators of heat. This is obviously true. Most of the gases, they do not conduct heat. So correct answer is true. Let us see next question. By which mode is heat transferred in liquids? Liquids में heat किस तरह से transfer होता है? Obviously by convection current. So correct answer is convection. Name a liquid which is good conductor of heat. एक एग्जाम्पल देना है लिक्विड का जो अच्छा कंडक्टर है. द आंसर इज मर्क्यूरी. मर्क्यूरी इज दो इट इज लिक्विड, इट इज अ metal type of material. So since it is metal, even in spite of being a liquid, it is a good conductor of heat. Let us see next question. When you heat water in pan, by which mode does most of the heat travel in water? Water में किस तरह से heat travel होता है? So the correct answer should be convection is the correct answer. Conduction, it happens mainly in solids. Radiation does not require any medium. तो water है तो कौन सा भी fluid रहने दो, ज़्यादातर convection current से heat flow होती है. Let us see next question. So correct answer is convection. 7th question. In which mode of heat transfer of heat does the medium not get heated up? Medium heated नहीं होता इस mode of heat transfer से, तो इसका आंसर है radiation. Radiation is the correct answer. A thermos flask consists of a double-walled glass vessel with a space between them filled with air, which is bad conductor of heat. True or false? So though air is bad conductor of heat, but basically thermos flask, double in between the double-walled glass vessel, it is completely evacuated. It doesn't have anything. So there is no air. So answer is false. Last question. Radiant heat falling on the body is partly absorbed, partly dashed, and some of it may also be dashed. So absorbed, partly absorbed, and partly it is reflected. So here it should be reflected. Some of it may also be transmitted. So these were the short answers from the lesson. Students, your today's assignment will be, you have to write this in your notebooks. ये अपने अपने notebooks में आपको लिखने हैं सब. फिर if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me. So see you in next session. In the next session, we will be learning about we will be discussing basically about new topics, and if you have any doubt, obviously we'll discuss that. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.